Watching SPY here. I want to see if SPY gets heavy. Breaks through this 9, comes back down to this 596.50. Or is it going to bounce off the 9? I'm watching this candle here off the 1 minute, 20 seconds, watching to see where this next candle starts. SPY right here off the 9, right here. Nice pop off that 9. See if that'll keep climbing. See if this will pop a little more. Still trading off this 9. Oh, got heavy. Don't like it. I'm out. $400 loss on that trade right there. I did not like the way that got shoved down off this candle. See this? Did not like that at all. Wanted it to respect this 9 and go. If it does, I'll hammer it again. If not, I'm going to wait, because it's respecting it.
Would you draw a line there at 598.50?
For the consolidation, yes. All right, here we go. It's getting heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. I'm in it. I tried to get in it. Yep. I'm going to see if it'll pick me up, see if it'll go. Nope. It bounced. It bounced. So I'm just waiting now. Right now, off of this candle, I'm waiting because that was a huge pull. Yeah, this is going upside. I'm in the wrong side. Took 500 on that too. So that's 900 off in 2 trades right there. That's how fast this thing can move. Oh, I love this now to the upside, though. This is the move that I wanted right here. I'm going to hammer this one. Going a little bit heavier on this one to the upside off of SPY, respecting the 9, because it bounced, it broke through, it bounced, it held, and it stayed up. Has to respect the 9. Not, I'm going to get back all my gains literally in 3 trades. Just like that. Heavy. And if that breaks through that 21, it's going to that 596.50. Yes, I got a nice push again right there. Respected the 9. By the way, I added 5 when it came back and tapped. Came back and tapped the 9. I added 5 to it. So 15. Still respecting the 9 here. There we go. See if we can get another big move. We are up here on the ceiling, but it had a nice, I mean, look at push, right? There we go. A little more. I'm going to take some off. It sold 5. I'll take 5 more. 5 left. Oh, it's just sitting here. Come on, pop. I'll take the rest. All right, I'll take it. So I'm up $2,536. So I made back those last 2 losses. I don't like the way it's sitting here. It's sitting here too long. We're way up on the ceiling on the 2-minute EWO.
Somebody's going to get trigger happy and dump some.
Yeah, I do not like the way it's consolidating on the top of resistance. That is scary to be trying to long. I'm going to be looking to flush this in a minute. All right, here we go. This is the pullback I was looking for right here, gang. I want to see this break through this 21 to head to 596.50, and I'll hammer those puts. But I'm going to wait. I got to wait till it comes down. This is why I said I don't want to be on the ceiling trying to long that. That's why I took that $1,000 out of there. I'm just waiting. I don't want to be up here on the ceiling, though. If it wants to break through and make new high, I'll go long. Otherwise, I don't want to be sitting here, especially that heavy, right? Yeah, what's SPY looking like right here? Because this is crazy. Yeah, 598.30 was a previous level for SPY, right? Oh, yeah. Look at 598.30 on SPY, gang. That's a gold level. It's sitting at a gold level here. I don't care. Being patient. You can see it's up, but I don't want to touch this until we break this 598.30 leading to 598.50.
New report coming up in a few minutes. Home sell report.
7.5 minutes. That's going to decide a lot today, especially with the market being so red, because every little bit of news is going to over exaggerate everything. So the easy thing for you guys, easier, right, would be for you guys to wait till the break of 598.50. That way you don't get chopped up in this little spot. So if you guys are waiting on SPY, don't touch that long until the break of that. Everybody hear the sound of my voice, please. Here it comes. Come on, break that 598.50 and I'll go long. I'm going to go smaller because I don't trust this spot. I'm going to go smaller. That thing looks like it just wants to go, haha, just kidding, and bam!
Nobody's sticking their neck out this early. That's all the problem is. I still think it's got more upside, but nobody wants to give it that, like the bottle rocket.
I agree. Institution buyers are not going to want to come rolling in 4 minutes with a news announcement about to hit. I'm set up for puts. My favorite trade right here, Palm, would be to break this 21 and come all the way to 596.50. But that would be against the trend. Notice I'm not going against the trend like a maniac here, right? Still waiting. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, gang. I want everybody to remember there could be a knee-jerk reaction. The SPY goes one way, and within the next 2 minutes could go the other way, okay? So please be patient. If you've never traded news like this either, don't do it. Just avoid it. It's not worth the risk, okay? Make sure you have all your risk management in place. 30 seconds. Mark, you'll be the only one speaking to let us know the news, yes?
Copy.
Thank you. Get ready, gang.
Oh, my Lord. 3.6. Be a nothing burger.
Yeah, that's a nothing burger.
Everything is freezing out, not moving
You're
that
right, here we
fast.
go. Yep, here we go, gang. SPY is pulling. Yep, I'm in it. Oh, just got it. Oh, I don't know if I got that. Tried to sell it $950. I don't know if I got it. Yep, I didn't. I actually lost $40. It was a $950 gain by the time I clicked it and it sold it, lost 40 bucks. This pulls below this 21. I am hammering this, waiting patiently, not doing anything, not trading this trade. We're still to the upside just because I had this breathe back. Do not get in the way of this. If it breaks this 21 though, I will hammer this to the downside. It'll be a quick scalp, and I might have to do a market order since the last time it took too long to fill. Giving you guys my mindset of what I'm looking for. Entered. There goes. Oh, it's teeter in the 21. There it goes. I'll take it. Boom. $1,500. Small setup. Same drill. Staying below. Smaller setup. Entered. This time only 5. The bounces, I'll get right out. Nice. Oh, there it goes. Oh, all right. I'm up $3,885.19. Look at this. Who's in this to the downside on that break of 21 to the downside? That was the move, right?
I am.
Thank you,
Ooh,
Coach.
am.
Yes,
Still a
sir.
good setup.
I'm up 1,300 on it right now.
Yes.
Yes.
Still a good setup.
Always just wait for those A+ setups, right, gang? Yeah, you break the 55, you're going to 596.50, and then I'll enter again on the break of that 55 to the downside. What's SPY doing over here while we were looking at that? Oh, SPY bounced hard off the 55, broke through the 9 and 21. Now look at what it did. What was that major level of resistance we had earlier? 598.30, right?
Yes, sir.
It hit it to the penny and pulled back right there. Look, ding. So my trading strategy on this move would be if it breaks this 55, which is 597.31, I will short it, and you guys could get a potential move down to 596.50, but I'm just quick scalping it today. Otherwise, if this breaks and holds above this 21, I'm going to take it up to 598.30. That's a pretty risky move because you don't have a lot of space, which means it could knife drop fast. So again, if you're looking for a better setup, there's two here, 598.50 and above, or below 597.30 and below. Okay, so I'll mark this in red, meaning go short. I'll mark this in green, meaning go long.
No trading in the middle.
Yeah, exactly. Don't diddle in the middle. Now I could go long here above this 21 and the 9. The reason I'm not is because if this was resistance, which it just was a second ago, it could pop and super drop on me there. I don't want to make that trade. I'd rather be a little more patient, let it work another 20, 25 cents up here, right? This 598.50-ish. I'd rather get up there again. And that way I know I've got confirmation we're going to the long side, and that would be a better setup. Make sense?
100%.
Coach, does those lower highs there on SPY, does that give you more confidence to the downside, or does that not mean anything?
No. I like the way you're thinking. All I'm seeing here, though, honestly, is consolidation. So even though this has come down, if we look right here and right here, this is the channel, right? So even though it drove up and then down, all I see is up, down, up, down, up, down right now. Yeah, I can't make a definitive like, yeah, it's coming down. I don't see that yet. All this is, gang, this is just sitting in a channel to me. So you could just trade this whole channel until it does something, right?
So there's really no weight then on those last few candles and the wicks on the top of them?
Nope, not at all. Nope.
Okay.
Not at all.
Thank you.
Oh, right here. This is setting me up for a downside. Right here. We talked about this already on this setup. The break of 597.30 to the downside. We talked about this setup. Waiting for the break and hold. 597.30. I'll go small, and I could add in if I like it. I'm in it. Very small. Oh, it's bouncing around here, but I'm still in it. Still in it. As long as it stays below 597.30, I'm still in it. About a $200 risk if it pops. Yep. Sitting on the 55. Still in it. It sits down again, I'll add. I'm adding. Got a nice push down. Taking 2 off. Selling the final 2. Boom. Another 150 bucks out of those 2. I'll take it. Done. Look at that. Nice pull to the downside. Did you guys hear, though, how I was trying to keep you guys in why I'm doing what I'm doing, right? So that was the A+ trade setup, though, was the break below 597.30. We collected. Waiting for the next setup. Just like this. If this pushes up and it taps 597.30 and pulls back, which it's trying to do right here, this is where I could get into the downside again. Because this is resistance. You see what I mean, though? We can do this over and over and over. I don't need to collect $1 million at once, though. I need you guys to understand that. We can go small, 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 and then it'll go big. Small, 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 big. We don't need to continue to try to swing for the fences. Small trades can turn extremely lucrative fast. It's more about protecting it than it is about making the money. The money will come when you're making good trades, but please protect your money while you're doing it. All right, SPY, new high a day. You guys should all be long on the break of 598. What?
598.30.
50. Thank you.
50.
Thank you. Who did it? Now who did it?
I did, Coach. Thanks.
I'm still in it.
That was the move, right?